So this is the DJI Neo 2 drone. I got the Fly More combo, and before I bought this, I did a lot of research, tried to figure out all the details, and there was a ton of people that I found that were drone experts, but not very many people that were newbies like me. This is the very first drone I've ever flown. In fact, before I got this one, the closest I ever got to a drone was one of these. This is a little bit of an upgrade, needless to say. But I've had it for about a week now. I've had a chance to play with it a little bit, and I thought you might, if you're a beginner, also appreciate hearing how that went for me on the first week. So stay tuned, check it all out. This thing is really cool, spoiler alert. I'll be right there with you. So the DJI Neo 2 Fly More kit includes everything that you see here. Now there are a few configurations. This is the one I got. It does not include the first-person view goggles or the speed joystick because that's not really my jam. I do it more for content creation. But first and most importantly, you see you've got the drone itself here. Now this does not have the battery installed because it's over here in the charging dock, but it does include a gimbal protector. Please, please, please remember to take this off before you start shooting. Ask me how I know. It messes up your shots, but it does keep your camera safe. So you just pop that off and you're ready to go. It also has the receiver and transmitter pre-installed. I leave it on. You can take it off if you want a few extra seconds of flight time. Speaking of flight time, this is a small drone. The batteries don't carry a ton of charge. That's why I got this combo with 3 batteries. You'll get a little under 15 minutes of flight time with each of these batteries and swap them out. The good news is they do charge back up pretty quick, so you're really not out of business for too long if you've got to charge them. You've got some miscellaneous cords, some replacement props here. There's also a little screwdriver if you do want to take that off, and then the remote control. So this thing's pretty awesome. It's got this spring-loaded clip here. That's where your phone slides in, and you can use that to get the view that your drone is getting while you're using the remote control. This does unlock a few extra features, so I recommend it. The combo itself is not much more than just the drone, and it increases really the usefulness of this kit several times over. Other than that, this is everything that you see, and you are ready to fly. So we're testing out the DJI Neo on a little bit of a breezy day out here, and it is handling the breeze amazingly. This is absolutely my first drone. I've had it for about a week, so I am by no means an expert, but I'm loving the fact that I really have a robotic cameraman in front of me helping me to film my content. Now, the drone itself does have a decent high-pitched prop noise, but by pairing it with the DJI Mic 3, it really eliminates that, but still gets some of the ambient noise. You can hear the birds, you can hear the breeze, so it helps me set the stage. If I was filming content of just a walk out here, this is gonna be amazing. It also has gesture control, so let's say I want a different shot. I don't want the drone in front of me anymore. All I have to do is extend my palm, it recognizes it with the AI, and I scoot it over. Let's drop it down just a little bit. And now it's gonna stay exactly where I've put it and continue to film this walk. This would be great if I was trying to film me walking the dogs, all kinds of cool stuff like that, but you're getting a different perspective that way. So I can hear what you're saying. Okay, you're kind of getting up there in years, you don't walk that fast. How does the drone do at maybe a little bit higher speeds? Well, we're gonna check that out in just a second, so stay tuned. All right, so now we're on the cycling follow setting, and it's having to deal with a lot more speed, and it is keeping up amazingly well. Now I'm just riding right out here in front of my house for a quick trip. You're always gonna wanna wear a helmet. But even with the breeze that we have today, not a problem at all. The DJI Neo is keeping up amazingly well. So it's a little bit trickier though, because the turns are faster here.
Your command.
But you'll notice the DJI Neo 2, it adjusts really well, and it does a quick correction, gets right back where I've told it to be, and now I can film content about what an amazing spring day this is, or how cool it is that I can get footage of myself riding a bike without having to con anybody else to be in front of me with a camera, any of that mess. It's gonna really kick up my content creation game, and it's fun. It's a really cool toy. And again, when we're done with the gesture control, I'm here at the house. All I do is extend my palm and it will land in my hand automatically. So you've seen just a few of the things that this drone can do. And again, I'm only a week in. I'm still learning. I definitely want to figure out how to make it follow the car. There's apparently a cruise control mode on here. So this entry-level drone is going to do everything I need it to do for a long time. If you're like me and you're kind of on the fence, it's a great time to grab this before
front left, follow,
all the deals
3,
just
2,
fly away.